curious minds. Get ready for an extraordinary journey with World Traveler. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of Sri Lanka, a land of wonder and mystique. You might think you know everything about this beautiful island nation, but hold on to your seats because we're about to uncover some unreal facts that will leave you speechless. Our journey begins at the awe-inspiring Sigiriya, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Imagine, if you will, a colossal rock fortress that soars majestically into the sky. But what makes this place truly unreal is the story behind it. Sigiriya was once a luxurious palace and fortress built by King Kasyapa in the 5th century. Yes, you heard that right. A palace on top of a rock. Now let's take a leap into the mysterious. Legends tell us that Sigiriya could be more than just a palace. Some even believe it to be a gateway to another dimension, a stargate of ancient times. Could this be evidence of ancient alien visitors? We'll leave that for you to ponder. But wait, there's more. Ever wanted to feel like you're walking on the moon? Sri Lanka has you covered. In certain areas, like the mysterious plain of Nuwara Eliya, scientists have discovered the world's lowest gravity. Yes, you heard me right. It's like our own little spacewalk right here on Earth. Now let's journey back in time as we explore the countless historical wonders of Sri Lanka. From ancient cities like Anuradhapura to the stunning cave temples of Dambulla, every corner of this island is steeped in history and mystery. So there you have it, folks. A tantalizing taste of the unreal facts about Sri Lanka. From the soaring Sigiriya to the mystical Stargate theories and the mind-boggling lowest gravity areas, this island nation is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. But hey, our journey is far from over. There's a world of extraordinary adventures awaiting you, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our World Traveler community for more mind-blowing discoveries from across the globe. Until next time, fellow explorers, keep your curiosity alive and your passports ready because the world is full of incredible surprises just waiting for you to uncover. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.